With an information systems major, our students are prepared to work in just about any area of business. The information systems gives them an opportunity to understand how technology works with that particular area. And so we really prepare our students for a wide range of careers.
The Walton College here at the University of Arkansas, especially the Information Systems program, is really giving students a foundation to be successful in technology. It is actually one of the most impactful degrees for any student if you're wanting to either go into business or technology.
The faculty has been amazing and supportive. There's a lot of faculty that you build great relationships with because you have them for multiple classes throughout your tenure. They definitely teach you what's going on in the industry and how to relate it back to classes.
Companies line up to get our students for internships. And so particularly in the Walton College, we host workshops and career fairs and things like that where students can come in and make connections with industry and have opportunities for internships.
One of the things that we shared in common is this desire to look for students that indicate that they have a service orientation. And I think the college is absolutely producing students that have those skill sets.
If you think about almost everything inside a business, it touches an information system. And so being able to learn how to assess emerging technologies, how can companies get business and social value out of using those technologies? If you're curious about that, I think information systems would be a great degree for you.